So this is a Shop Direct micro mid-bed, mid-sleeper with ladder, a PLK37. Now, this is the first two steps. It's taken me ages to get to this point. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have that one there. And then there's this one here, this A, part A. And then it comes around like that. I think this is part X. And then this is the K. So now I'm into the P, Qs, and the Rs here in a minute, which is a whole assembly. Where is it? So this is what I've been doing. Page 1, it's taken forever because it's just backwards. And that's what we're looking at here, this assembled part over there. That's what the finished deal looks like. Hopefully the right way. And now, it's P, Q, and R stuff here. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have the R's and the S's and the Q's. And I'll see what that looks like in a minute. Okay, this is part 2 of this Shop Direct something mid-sleeper with ladder storage. Well, the ladder storage had to go because there's not enough room in the thing. Now, I've been reading the directions, and for some reason they're backwards, and I've been working backwards the whole time to me. So now we're getting to the point now where we've got that back support in there, and you see how much room we have. We might be able to get those ladders in there once we get the thing built, if we can slide it. They might actually fit, but I have to have this much room to assemble. So the next one I'm putting in is the back piece. It goes across there. They say put this piece on next, but if I put that on, I'm blocked in, so I can't do that. So I'll put that C on there next, and it uses these cam links. You use a screw, and then there's a little thing in there. You put the screw in there, and it tightens it up. That's a good strong connection. So I'm just waiting for my assistant to come back with some more, and we can go on to putting part C in, the big C. Okay, we got it to this point now. This piece here, it slides under, and those wood screws, they screw up from the bottom over there, and then they screw in from the sides over here on these sides. There's 2 on the corner, and they screw down here. There's another piece going to come in here, and then there'll be a front piece. But I got to do these drawers. I forgot one side of the drawers down here, so I got to put those in before I put the top on this. And then it's almost done. It'd be time to see if we can push it down in the corner and get the ladder in. Oh, I see. There's one more piece here. You see that? That's you need that slidey piece that goes in those little runners down there. Fits in there. So 2 more big pieces. This is what I got. To have an extra L. I'd like to put it someplace, but I don't know where the L to put it. That's a joke. Yeah, I just cut another piece I missed. This one needs to go in there. And a minute ago, where was that piece? It was right here. Across here. It wasn't really on the directions very good, at least Mike couldn't read them at the time. So now I got that in there. I had to loosen this panel up just to get it back in there. And I got the same thing down here. I'll have to loosen this end up because it'll take a dowel and a screw in each end. So somehow loosen this up, get that in there, and that'll be nice. Make that nice and strong. I knew it looked wobbly. But if there was one I could get in the middle, it would be even better down there, but I don't see any holes or anything down there for that one. Just a dowel in that corner.